Hey guys, we're trying something new today. This is Korean sausage. The ingredients: pork blood, sweet potato, starch noodles, sweet rice, green onions, ginger, garlic, salt, and pepper. And we're gonna cut up a part of it into the microwave and see how it turns out. Well, so far it's kind of nice. It already came in, there's 3 separate pieces in here. So we're gonna take this one piece for our dinner and nuke her up. It goes in for 6 minutes. And then it rests for a few minutes after that. We'll see how it goes. I had a little bowl on it, but after 3 minutes the bowls are bouncing all around. So just sticking her back in by itself and see how she goes for the next 3 minutes. Well, there's 6 minutes. Looks like there's a lot of juices or waters that came out of there.
Why it looks familiar?
Okay, we're cutting in. I don't know if it's just the plate color or whatever, but it looks like
something.
It looks like something. Doesn't really have any smell. Do you smell anything yet?
I don't think it's. I'm gonna get another. I smell like rice. It's rice.
So what did you say it's like in there? It's like
a sotanghon. There's sotanghon in here.
A what?
Sotanghon, the vermicelli.
Vermicelli and rice? It's like vermicelli, rice, and blood?
Gonna try this. So first we're gonna try it plain.
Yeah.
I thought I'm gonna go to Korea to taste this, but I have to go to Canada. Here, there's everything here. So hot. Not hot spicy, hot because it just came from the oven.
Yeah. I'm gonna try mine. It's really dark.
It's chewy.
Yeah, it's like I could feel the vermicelli, and once you said vermicelli, I can taste vermicelli. Mostly vermicelli, like with a little peppery vermicelli. That's about it. It doesn't taste much. It's good. It's okay, but I think it needs dip. We should make a dip.
Okay. Which we need no.
Try another one. With the soy sauce. I like it way more. It's like with the salty and that texture is really good. I like it.